Hello children, good morning. How are you all? You all are fine at home? So okay student, I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. So dear student, I am Joy Singh, your maths teacher, and I welcome you all in a maths online class. Okay, so first of all, take out your book. You all have taken? Okay, get ready for the class. So in yesterday's class, what I have taught you, assessment test 1 up to question number 3. Okay student, now from question number 4, okay, I am going to discuss from question number 4. Now it is given on page number 67. Page 67. So everyone do it fast. Take out page number 67, open page 67. You all have opened? Okay. Okay, now see question number 4. Write 6 numerals in increasing order from 4. Okay. Question number 4. What you have to write? Increasing order. You all know the meaning of increasing order? Increasing order. You all know the meaning of increasing order? Yes, from smallest to greatest. Okay, smallest to greatest means smaller number से लेकर आपको greatest number तक का आपको करना है, ठीक है, अरेंज करनी है. Means 6 numerals in increasing order from 4. Okay, 4 से start कर कर आपको 6 numerals को write down करना है. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, starting from 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the 6 numerals starting from smallest to the greatest number. Okay, आपको 6 numerals write down करना है. तो मैंने write down किया है sequence wise में. Okay, 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. Okay, this will come. So you all have understood. Now this is the what? Increasing order means smallest to greatest. Write down. It is A. Now B. In B, what is there? Write 4 numerals in decreasing order from, write 4 numerals in decreasing order from 10. Okay. So here what you have to write down? Decreasing order. Decreasing order. Okay. Decreasing order, 4 numerals you have to write down from 10. Okay, so 10 के आपको down जाना है. Decreasing order means largest to greatest number. Okay, larger number पहले आएगा, फिर उससे larger, फिर उससे means smaller than, okay, सबसे smaller number. So from 10 you have to start from 10. So 10, 9, 8, 7. These are the 4 numerals, okay, in decreasing order from 10. Okay, in decreasing order from 10. Okay, so write down question number 4, student. I am giving you the time. Now question number 5. Okay, hope you all have done this. Question number 5. Complete the sentences. 9 comes before dash and after dash. Means A. 9 comes before. 9 comes before dash and after डैश। सो 9 जो है वो किससे पहले, बिफोर किसके पहले आता है और 9 के आफ्टर क्या आता है। ओके, दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन। सो 9 कम्स बिफोर, टेल मी स्टूडेंट, 9 कम्स बिफोर, yes, before 10, good, and 9 comes after 8. Okay, got it? यानी कि 9 जो है वो किससे पहले आता है, 10 से, बिफोर। 9 comes before 10 and after 8. Okay, after 8. Now B. 15 is between dash and dash. 15 is between, 15 is between dash and dash। 15 किसके बीच में आता है, तो 15 is between 14 and 16। okay, 15 is between 14 and 16। okay student, now see, dash is in between 9 and 10, 9 and 11, sorry, dash is between, dash is between 9 and 11। now can you tell me what will come here in between 9 and 11? 9 and 11 के बीच में क्या आएगा, in between, yes, it will come 10। okay, so write these 3 and questions. Question number 5, I'm giving you the time, so do it fast. Okay, I am moving to the next. Now in question number 5, A, B, C. Up to C I have written here. Now D. D, C. 20 is 1 more than 19. Sorry, 20 is 1 more than dash। 1 more than कितना आप करोगे, प्लस करोगे 1, so answer will come what, 20। so tell me, yes, it is 19, yes, 19 means 1 more than 19 is 20। okay, 20 is 1 more than 19। now D, E. 6 and 6 makes, 6 and 6 makes what, 6 plus 6 आप करोगे तो क्या आएगा, it will come 12। okay, 6 and 6 makes 12। so write down A, B, C, D, E। okay, okay, now come to question number 6। Question number 6. Question number 6. Now, write the geometrical shape of. You have to write down what? Write geometrical shape. Okay, write geometrical shape. Number A, blackboard. Number B, football. Number C, wheel of a car. Number D, top of a Ludo dice. Number E, shape with 3 sides only. Okay. Blackboard, football, this, then this. Okay. Now one more thing I am going to tell you, student, in the exam so many students have done. I have given one question, the geometrical shape of red light. जो red light होती है, sorry, red stop light जो होती है, have you seen that? स्टॉप के लिए जो आता है वो लाइट, उसकी जो कलर होती है, सी रेड स्टॉप साइन, जो स्टॉप साइन जो होता है वो ओवल शेप का होता है. ओके, द शेप इज ओवल, बट मैनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव रिटन सर्कल, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड, बट आपको मैं बता दूं दैट इज ओवल शेप. ओके, ओवल होता है वो. नाउ blackboard. Blackboard means this is a whiteboard, and what is the shape of this? ये whiteboard है. whiteboard की shape क्या है? rectangle. ओके, सो white blackboard की भी shape क्या होती है? rectangle. ओके, RECTANGEL, rectangle. football, circle. Then wheel of a car is also circle. Top of a Ludo dice. Top of the Ludo dice is square. And after that, shape with 3 sides only. That is triangle. Okay, it is triangle. So write down this question. Done. Now question number 7. Okay, in question number 7, count shape and write their names and numbers. Okay, यहाँ पे shape है question number 7. Okay, count shapes and write their names. So name and number I am writing here. Okay student, number is there. See, इसको आपको काउंट करना है एंड इसकी नेम्स एंड नंबर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. Now see, square is how many? Square is 1. Okay, then circle is what? 2. How many circles are there? 2. Oval is 1. Rectangle is 3. Triangle is 4. Okay, so write down the shapes, name and shapes. Okay, write down. Now question number 8. Question number 8 I am writing here. Number 8. Arrange in increasing order. A. So first one is 7, then 9, then 11, then 12, then 15. Okay, it is the answer. B. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, then 3. Okay, here it is written 3 and 6 and 3 is written और यहाँ पे गैप दिया तो ये 3 and 4 both you have to adjust here. Okay student, now question number 9. So many times I have asked this question. Okay, the order of position. So the position of B in about is what? Position of B. B की position क्या है इसमें? B की position क्या है? Second position. Okay, second. A. Now B. The position of Q. Q की position in Q. In quick. Okay, sorry, in quick is first. Number C. The position of R in court. R in court. It is fourth. And D. 5 friends run in a race and Sam came last. The position of Sam is what? Fifth. Okay, position of Sam is fifth. Now E, here is E. The position of 12 in counting is 12. In counting is 12. Okay, so write down 8, 9. Okay, question number 8 and 9 both I have written. Now only 10 and 11 is left. Now I am moving to the next question. Okay student, see question number 10. A. Do the sum. Okay, so 14 plus 5. Like this you have to do the sum. So 4 plus 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 I have written here. Here is 1. So 1 I have written. Okay, so 10 is like this. So that you have to do by your own. And B. B में आपको क्या करनी है? Put plus or minus in the circle. Okay, see 16, and 4 is equals to 12. So what you have to put here? It is less than this. So here you have to put the minus sign. Okay. Then 9 circle 9 is equals to 18. This number is more than this number, so here you have to put the plus. Then 12 circle 3. It is 15 here. 12 more than 15, so here you have to put the plus. Then 19 circle 6 is equals to 13. So 13 is less than 19, so here you have to put the minus. Okay, got it? So your assessment test is over, and tomorrow I will teach you the new chapter, that is unit 5. Okay, numbers from 5 to 20. So this is all about the assessment test 1, and do it in your notebook and also in your book. Okay student, and please work hard at home. So bye, take care.